Good morning students, welcome to all 11th standard accountancy. So in this video we are going to discuss unit 2 conceptual framework of accounting. So today we are going to discuss what is meant by bookkeeping. So just give the introduction. What is meant by bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the first stage of accounting. Okay, bookkeeping is the first stage of accounting process, primary stage of accounting process. So bookkeeping is the systematic way of recording of the financial transaction and a set of books. Okay, so bookkeeping is includes identifying financial transaction. Bookkeeping is identifying the financial transaction, measuring the identified transaction in the monetary form, then recording the identified and recording the identified measure and transaction in the proper book of accounts. The next one, classify the records transactions in the ledger. That is called the bookkeeping. Let's see the meaning of bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is the process of recording the financial transaction in the book of accounts. So it is a primary stage of accounting process. It includes recording the transactions and classifying the same under proper heads. So bookkeeping is the primary stage of. Next, definition of bookkeeping. So what is the definition of bookkeeping? So according to J.R. Batley, bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealings in the set of books. So according to the Batley, bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealings in a set of books. Next one, according to Warren Carter, bookkeeping is the scientific and art of recording correctly in the book of accounts all those business transactions of money or money's worth. So in the words of Warren Carter, bookkeeping is a science and art of recording the correctly in the book of accounts all those business transactions, all the business transactions of money or money's worth. So next we are going to see features of bookkeeping. So what is the features of bookkeeping? First one. So next point, monetary transaction only recorded in the book of accounts. So bookkeeping is the only record the monetary transactions. So third point, bookkeeping is the primary stage of accounting process. Fourth point, bookkeeping includes journalizing and ledger processing. Okay, so these are the features of bookkeeping. So next one, objectives of bookkeeping. So first point, to have a complete and permanent record of transaction. So to have a complete and permanent record of business transaction in chronological order under the appropriate headings. Okay. So next one, to facilitate the ascertainment of the profit and loss of the business during the specific period. Okay. So to facilitate the bookkeeping is facilitate the ascertainment of the profit or loss of the business. What is the profit, what is the loss of the business during the accounting period. The next one, to facilitate the assessment of financial position. What is the financial position of the business organization. So next one, to know the progress of business. So to know the progress of business. So what is the profit? So if the company running on profit way or loss way. So we have to progress the business organization. Next one, to find out the tax liabilities. Then next, to fulfill the legal requirements. So these are the objectives of bookkeeping. So once again, so objectives of bookkeeping means to identify the financial transaction, to keep a systematic records, to classify the transactions, to prepare the financial statement, and to help in ascertaining the profit or loss. Okay, these are the objectives of bookkeeping. So next we are going to discuss advantages of bookkeeping. So bookkeeping has the following advantages. First one, transaction are recorded systematically. Okay, transaction are recorded systematically in chronological order in the book of accounts. So thus the bookkeeping provides a permanent and reliable record. Okay, so the bookkeeping also provides to organization to permanent and reliable record. Okay, for all the business transaction. So next one, bookkeeping is useful to get the financial information. So we can get the financial information from bookkeeping. Next one, it helps to have a control over various business activities. Then records provided by the business serve as a legal evidence in case of any disputes. Okay, So in case of any legal evidence, in legal issues, so we can provide the evidence, okay, legal evidence for the in case of any dispute. So next one, comparison of financial information over the year is possible. So comparison of the financial, so last year compared to last year to this current year, so we can compare. So over the year is possible. So also comparison of financial information of different business units is facilitated. The next one, so bookkeeping is helps to, bookkeeping is useful to the find out the tax liability. So next we are going to discuss limitation of bookkeeping. So bookkeeping has the following limitations. First one, only monetary transaction are recorded in the book of accounts. Then second one, effects of price level changes are not considered. So effect of price level changes, always changes, are not considered. So next one, financial data recorded are historical in nature. Okay, only past data are recorded. Okay, so next we are going to discuss bookkeeping with accounting. What is the differences between bookkeeping and accounting? So it is a very important question. So first one, basic of distinction, bookkeeping and accounting. So first, scope. So scope, under this bookkeeping, it is concerned with the recording and classifying the business transactions. So bookkeeping is recording and classifying the business transactions. So bookkeeping is the systematic records. Okay, next one, accounting. Under accounting, it is concerned with the recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and interpreting the financial data. Next one, stage. So bookkeeping is the primary stage of accounting. Then accounting is the, apart from the primary stage, it is the secondary stage of accounting. The next one, nature of job. So bookkeeping is a routine and a clerical nature. Accounting is the analytical nature. The next one, knowledge. So it requires basic knowledge. So the principles of journalizing and posting. So under bookkeeping, it requires a basic knowledge of principle of journalizing and posting. But accounting, it requires through knowledge of accounting principles, procedure and practices. So what skills required? So basic of bookkeeping. Under bookkeeping, analytical skill is not required. For bookkeeping, it accounting is requires analytical skill. Okay, so these are the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So once again recall again. So meaning of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the process of recording financial transaction in the book of accounts. So it is the primary stage of accounting. So definition. So according to J. Batley, bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealings in set of books. So bookkeeping is the science and the art of recording correctly in the book of accounts all those business transaction of monies or money's worth according to Warren Carter. So bookkeeping activities or includes identifying the financial transaction, measuring the identified transaction in the monetary term, then recording and identifying measured transaction in the proper account of dates, then classifying the recorded transaction in the ledger. Okay, features. So it is the process of recording transaction in the book of accounts. Monetary transaction only recorded in the book of accounts. Bookkeeping is the primary stage. So primary stage of accounting process. So bookkeeping includes journalizing and ledger processing. So next, what is the objectives of bookkeeping? So our first point, to identify the financial transaction. Second point, to keep a systematic records. The next one, to classify the transaction. The next one, to prepare the financial statement structure. Okay, financial structure. The next one, to help in the ascertain the profit or loss. So these are the objectives of the bookkeeping. So to have a complete and permanent record of business transaction in the chronological order under the proper headings. Okay, next one, to facilitate the ascertainment of the profit or loss of the business during the accounting period. The next one, to facilitate the assignment of financial position. The next one, to know the progress of the business. Then find out the tax liabilities, and last one, to fulfill the legal requirements. Next, advantages of bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is the useful to get the financial information. to help the control of over various business activities. Then records provided by business serves as a legal evidence in the case of any dispute. The next one, bookkeeping is useful to find out the tax liability. Okay, so these are the advantages of bookkeeping. Okay, I hope you all understand this topic of meaning of bookkeeping and objectives and the features and what is the difference between bookkeeping and the accounting. So we will see in next video. Thank you.